dear friends, I am Professor Namrata Burati. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will tell you how to manage your time at the time of writing the board exam paper. Let's start. As all of you know, the total marks for the board exam biology paper, it's a 70. And the time it's a 3.5 hours. So there is a first of all some general instructions which is given. What's that instruction? The question paper, it is divided it into 4 sections. Section A, which is carries the 2 sub questions, question number 1 and the question number 2. Question 1 contains a 10 multiple choice question. That is, each of question carries a 1 marks. Question number 2 contains a 8 very short answer type of questions, carries the 1 marks. Section B, it is a question number. It contains from the question number 3 to question number 14 contains the 12 short answer type of question, and each of question will carries the 2 marks. In Section C, the question number 15 to question number 26 contain again the 12 short answer type of questions, and this question each of will carries the 3 marks. And in the 4th section, that is the section D, it's a question number 27 to 31 contains the 5 long answer type of questions and carries the 4 marks. So there is again some general instructions which is given, that is figure to the right indicates gives the full marks. And the most important thing is what? For each MCQ, correct answer must be written along with its alphabet. That is A and its answer, B its answer, C its answer, or the D its answer. Let me continue our section, that is the section A. Section A, it contains the 2 sub questions, that is question 1 and question number 2. The question 1, it contains the 10 multiple choice question and each of carries the 10 marks. In question number 2, it contains a very short answer. Again, it is from 1 to 8 and it carries 8 marks. The next one, it's in section B. In section B, there is total 12 questions is given, that is from question number 3 to question number 14. And out of this 12 question, you should write only the 8 questions. And each of the question, it carries the 2 marks. In the section C, again, there is a 12 questions it's given. That is from question number 15 to question number 26. And again, out of the 12, you should write the 8 questions. But each of the question, it carries the 3 marks. Then section D. In the section D, attempt any 3. But how many numbers of the questions it's given in the section D? Yes, it's a 5 questions is given, but you should attempt only the 3. Means each of question, it carries the 4 marks. The next one, how to manage your time at the time of writing the answer. This is a very important thing is that the first one is reading of the question paper. It's a 10 minutes. It's already given. The second, in the section 1, appropriate time it is required to write the section A. That is question number 1. Select and write the correct answer. That is a multiple choice question. Each of question, it's a 2 minutes. So total 20 minutes is required. Then in the question number 2, answer the following. There is a total 8 questions it's given, and each of the questions for writing the answer of each of the questions. There is a 2 minutes is required, so there is a 16 minutes is required. Then the next one is in the section B. Attempt any 8 out of the 12 questions. That is, for writing the 8 numbers of the question answers, there is a 5 minutes for each of the question answers. So total 8 questions, 8 answers you should write, and for these writing the 8 answers you require the 40 minutes. म्हणजे सेक्शन बी मध्ये तुम्हाला 8 प्रश्नांचे उत्तर लिहिण्यासाठी किती वेळ देणे अपेक्षित आहे? 40 मिनिट्स देणे अपेक्षित आहे. सेक्शन सी मध्ये तुम्हाला परत 12 पैकी 8 प्रश्न लिहायचे आहेत आणि ते जे 8 प्रश्न लिहिताना तुम्हाला प्रत्येक प्रश्नाचं उत्तर लिहिण्यासाठी किती वेळ देणे अपेक्षित आहे? 8 मिनिट्स. ओके, कारण प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन किती मार्क्स साठी आहे? 3 मार्क्स साठी आहे. म्हणजेच जर तुम्ही इथे मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं तर किती मिनिट्स देणं अपेक्षित आहे? 64 मिनिट्स. ओके, द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन डी. सेक्शन डी साठी तुम्हाला 5 क्वेश्चन्स दिलेले आहेत आणि त्यापैकी तुम्हाला 3 अटेम्प्ट करायचे आहे. लॉंग आन्सर आहेत म्हणजे प्रत्येकाला 4 मार्क्स आहेत. मग प्रत्येक आन्सर लिहिण्यासाठी तुमच्याकडे 10 मिनिट्स आहेत. मग 3 आन्सर्स लिहिण्यासाठी किती मिनिट्स लागणार आहे? तुम्हाला 30 मिनिट्स लागणार आहे. आणि आता या कोविड पॅन्डेमिक मध्ये तुम्हाला हाफ आवर एक्स्ट्रा मिळालेला आहे. म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे हाफ आवर्स एक्स्ट्रा रिमेन्स राहणार आहे आफ्टर कम्प्लिटिंग दिस 10 मिनिट्स चेकिंग. जर तुम्ही यावेळेने पेपर सॉल्व केला तर तुम्हाला नक्कीच वेळ पुरेल आणि तुम्हाला वेळ मिळाल्यामुळे तुम्हाला पेपर चांगला जाईल. आता इथे सेक्शन ए मध्ये तुम्ही किती मिनिट्स देणार आहात? 20 मिनिट्स फॉर MCQ, 16 मिनिट्स फॉर द 1 सेंटेन्स क्वेश्चन, देन फॉर द 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन 40 मिनिट्स, फॉर द 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन 64 मिनिट, and for the long answer question there is a 30 minutes. I think so you understood this time management. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.